Hello, my fellow tiny zoologists! Welcome to another exciting animal adventure. Today, we're delving into the wonderful world of feathered friends, where we'll explore the unique features of three amazing birds: ducks, chickens, and geese. Are you ready to take flight on this feathered journey? Let's soar into it! Our first stop is the delightful world of ducks. These water-loving birds have some fascinating features that set them apart. Ducks have feathers that are waterproof. These special feathers keep them dry while they paddle in the pond. Check out their webbed feet, perfect for gliding through the water like a pro. Ducks are caring parents, and they love to teach their ducklings how to swim. And don't forget their distinctive quack. It's like a duck's own special language. Next, we visit the world of chickens. These feathered friends have some unique features of their own. Chickens come in a variety of feather colors, and their beaks are perfectly adapted for pecking at tasty treats. Chickens are wonderful mothers, always looking out for their chicks. Roosters are the alarm clocks of the farm, announcing the morning with their crowing. Chickens love to scratch the ground in search of bugs and seeds. Last but not least, we explore the world of geese. These migratory birds have their own set of remarkable features. Geese have long necks, perfect for reaching tall plants in the water. Geese are incredible travelers, flying thousands of miles in V-shaped formations during migration. They are devoted parents, and they fiercely protect their nests from predators. And listen to their honk! It's like their way of saying hello! And there you have it, dear tiny zoologists. Ducks, chickens, and geese are just a few of the feathered friends that share our world. Each one has unique features that make them extraordinary. The more we learn about these birds, the more we can appreciate and protect them. Thank you for joining our tiny zoologist's feathered adventure. Until our next takeoff, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep sharing the love with the magnificent birds all around us.